Welcome to another hair hack video. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower part of the hair again and then divide it into two parts. When you are done dividing it into two parts, tie both the parts together with the help of a rubber band. Tie both the parts inside the rubber band and then insert it through the gap. Tie both the parts together with the help of a rubber band and then roll it upwards and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower half of the hair again with the help of a rubber band. Give it a heart-shaped look. Tie the lower part, divide it into two and then twist both the parts and then tie it with the help of a rubber band downwards and then roll it around the ribbon or the heart-shaped part of your hair, securing it properly with the help of a bobby pin just like this. Secure it properly from every end so that no loose ends are visible. Now decorate it with your own wish with any other bobby pin. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Tie the lower part of the hair again with the help of a rubber band. Then comb the lower part properly, insert it through the gap, roll it upwards around the circular part and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower part of the hair, tie it again with the help of a rubber band. Roll it upwards from one corner to another corner. Tie the lower half again with the help of a rubber band just like this. Then take the lower half of the hair, tie it again, roll it upwards just like this. Divide it into two parts, insert it through the gap, roll it around the circular part and then you are done. Secure it with the help of your back pin just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. When you are done tying the ponytail, take the rest of the half of the hair and tie it again in the form of two ponytails. Now fasten the ponytail, then take the rest of the part of the hair and tie it again with the help of a rubber band in both the ponytails. Make a gap in between and then pass your hair through that gap. Roll it upwards and then through the gap. Now tie the rest of the half of the hair again with the help of a rubber band. Make a gap. Repeat the same process of inserting it through the gap just like this. When you are done inserting it through the gap, take the leftover part of the hair, tie it with a rubber band and then fasten it inside very carefully so that it is no longer visible. You are done here. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail first and then roll that ponytail parts in the form of a circle and then secure it properly with help of a bobby pin. Thank you for watching.